But only Galaxy Fold, cheaper in Korea. This phone, cheaper in Korea.
So, hi guys, but yeah, we're going to the Ginseng Gallery, and the Ginsengs are like humans, but at different countries it's different. But this ginseng looks like a human. It has its legs, it has its arms, and it has its head.
I was a ginseng before.
Oh yeah, Chelsea is so ginseng. Those pictures are carved.
The ginseng is only for 1-year-old to 6-year-old, but I'm 7 now,
So
I'm
she's
not a
no
ginseng.
longer a ginseng. Sorry for Chelsea's voice, okay? She just has a sore throat. Next, we went to the Deoksugung Royal Palace, and we even got to see the parade. They don't go there Mondays, but they go there at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. I like that part where there's a lot of like glasses on there, and then when you look on the floor, there's a lot dancing, pretty dancing. Wow, Chelsea's not moving. Picture. Oh wait, no, it's a video.
We keep dancing, and I get annoyed with that.
You'll get used to it. And then we went inside one of the palace. Oh, but over there video is not allowed. But we took a little peek, just a little peek.
We went outside. We only took a video from the gate, and then we went out. But the pictures are allowed, not videos.
Then we even saw, like what I said kanina, the parade. They always have to change their guards, and every time they have that, they will show in front of the palace how they guard the palace. So
there they are. They're coming.
They're coming. March. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now that, wait for it. I don't know if you guys know how hard it was, but when I was so near it. You know what? It almost like hurt my heart already. Do you know like the time where you feel like very loud or hard music or sound, and then it will go through your heart, you could feel it. But then I took a picture. Chelsea couldn't come, she was at the other side watching. Ta-da! That guy was a statue. He's not moving.
I'm not even smiling.
I'm not smiling. But next we were walking back to the bus. But we ate Korean ginseng chicken soup
For our
lunch. So the Korean ginseng chicken soup is, they have wine, kimchi, and a lot more. The wine, they drink wine very often there at that place.
like they just like do it in one.
Okay.
They like
Chelsea is so hungry she would eat raw noodles. She was so hungry.
You know, raw noodles are kind of yummy.
What? But for me, I saw my ginseng. My ginseng was 1 year old.
You know, I like raw noodles.
You'll put the noodles in there, then you mix,
And then you put some wine
if you want. But
for flavor.
a little bit of flavor. If you want,
And then
You
there's
can put-
also there's 1-year-old ginseng inside for like taste and flavor.
and those you can buy at the Ginseng.
Gallery.
Yeah, the gallery. They will let you buy stuff. And if I were you, I would be thinking where to go. But next we went to Duty Free-Star Avenue.
Lotte Duty Free.
Lotte Duty Free. Oh, then just take a picture. Take a picture. And then over there, it's like so amazing. They printed their hand on it, on like a wood. Then they put their signature,
beside it, and then
and then you could search for your bias there.
there's also like very cool inside because there's TVs at the side, there's TVs at the right, there's TVs at the left, there's TVs at the front, and there's also TVs at the top.
It's so nice. I saw Twice there, Blackpink. I saw BTS, EXO. I saw a lot.
Angelomachia, Pentagon, yeah. Pentagon.
Yeah. That you press a button and then the entire place is there.
Jay is our leader.
Our leader, also known as our tour guy.
And also his helper is Ayan.
You guys will see you very soon.
Oh yeah.
That's Twice.
At the end of this video, there's a half, and then the half will be like Myeongdong. But it will be very long. That's why we halved it from this video. There's their printed hand.
Let's see. Let's press button. Gio. Who's Gio? Jojo Gio. That's Gio.
I like Gio.
She's pretty. Comment down below if your bias is Gio. I don't know if you say it like that. That is, I don't know. Oh, look, it's Itzy. It's Yuna. I have a classmate named Yuna. Well, over here, there's not much music, but it's still good.
I'm
But-
watching TV.
That's all for today. Hope you liked this video.
If
you
you
did,
did,
squish the like button and
subscribe,
subscribe, like, comment down below. And I'll see you next time.
Next video, that's the half.